Hi guys, today we're gonna be learning how to play You're Beautiful by James Blunt. Okay, I'll play first the intro. Actually, there's three parts intro. My life is begun. My life is begun. My love is pure. I saw an angel of that I'm sure. Okay, it's tough. Let's deal first with the intro. There are three parts. First, the chords are C, G, A minor, and F. Okay, let me first show you the lyrics and the chords and the tabs to the job. Yeah. You see it? Okay. So let's play the intro. Pick strumming pattern for the first part of the intro. It's down, down, up, down. So that's 6 beats. 40, down, down, up. You lift your middle finger and then down, up, left again, and then put it back. So one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six. So down, down, up, down, up, down. Same for D. Down, down, up, down, up, down. A minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. For F chord, only for down, down, up, down. Okay, again, one more time. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Second fret of fourth string. That's our second part of the intro. C, second fret again of the fourth fret, and then first fret of second string, open, back, G, and then open, A minor, and then fourth string, second fret, F. So one, two, three, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, D. 1, 2, A minor. 1, 2, A minor. 1, F. My life is young. Okay, so 1, 2, open, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 1, 2, A minor. 1, F. Okay. But on the second time, on the third part, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, A minor, A, F, 1, F. But this time 6 beats, also 6 beats. Before it was only 4 beats. Because we have, but now we have one. Now we go to the first verse. My life is golden, my love is pure. Same picking. 6 beats, same picking, and you don't forget to lift your middle finger. My life is golden, my love is pure. I saw an angel, all that I saw. She smiled me on the shoulder. She was with another man, but I was not slip on that. One more, A minor. I got a plan, beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with. So our chorus is F, 4 beats. Down, 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 up, down. You're beautiful. G, down, down, up, down. So 4 beats. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. C, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, F is down, down, up, down. G, down, down, up, down. C, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place. So F, I saw your face in a C, down, 2 downs. In a crowded C slash B, and then A minor. So A minor, 8 beats. And I don't know what to do. A minor, 8 beats. 'Cause I'll never be with. And then we go back to the intro, second part. So, 'cause I'll never be with. So 4G, 'cause I'll never be with. Down, 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 up. So 3 beats, 4G. Down, down, up. 'Cause I'll never be with. And then back to the C, G. Now for our second verse, yes, it caught my eye as you walked on by. She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I know that I could treat her again. We shared a moment that will last till the end. Second verse is exactly the same as first verse. Okay? And then after second verse, repeat chorus. But this time, chorus. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Before we followed, it was followed by the intro, but this time we we used the interlude. 'Cause I'll never be with you. Interlude is F A M, F A M minor, F A minor, F A minor, G minor, and B. Hey, 'cause I'll never be with you. La la la, 4 beats. La la la, down down, up down. La la, G G. And then second chorus. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. There must be an angel with a smile on her face, and she thought of that I should be with you. One more time, AM. But it's time to face the truth, AM. If I will never be with you. Or you can simply play the last line. I will never be with you. Okay, I guess that's it. Anyway, you have you have your lyrics and chords and intro cut. The difference between chorus 1 and chorus 2 is that we have 5 lines on the, but it's same pitch on the second chorus, but same strumming, same chords. So, but remember, after that, there must be an angel with a smile on her face. So, down, 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 A minor, 8 beats. When she thought that I should be with you. One more time for A minor. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you. Okay, I think you'll manage. Well, our next lesson will be anyway, You're Beautiful by James Blunt was originally played on the 8th fret. Actually, this is an E flat. We just played it over the same key, E flat, that's E flat. Just lower scale, we use lower scale, but it's the same key, same chords, we use the same chords. Okay? Now for our next lesson, gonna try You Are the Reason by Callum Scott. Okay, pause on the 3rd fret. losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I hope it's now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean. Okay, that's almost. We'll learn it next time. So, okay, subscribe, guys. We're gonna practice this next time. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell.